Welcome back, Coding Fans and LLP here. So to y'all, please like and subscribe on this video so that we can learn how to shrink this today we're reacting to the worst channel ever, aka LLB Minecraft. They have 0 followers, so let's get into it. 10, 9, 8.
This is what a horror mob normally looks like.
That's pretty normal.
This is what happens when you make it 5 times smaller.
John, why would he make it 5 times smaller? Just keep it normal, like, boy.
Turns out
Oh my god, it's gonna be a long video. It's gonna be a rough video. Based on my sound effect I just heard, it's gonna be rough. Everyone for credit is shut down you from Twitter and watch you.
messing with mob sizes has some unexpected side effects. The results
What could they be? What could they be making them smaller? Maybe.
weird, cursed, and way funnier than
Quick word from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is LLB Minecraft. We have been helping them so much, and it's such an honor for us to be able to sponsor them. So, shout out to LLB Minecraft. Great job putting in the work. Let's go, LLB. Rock on.
the results
Ah.
and way funnier than I expected.
Oh my god. What is that? What is that?
This gets crazy, so stick around.
Well, you've had fun to the life experience. If you don't have fun, you have fun. Like, you have the best experience.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another
Hey, Swimex.
video.
Hey, Swimex.
So today, I got a really funny, but also interesting video planned. I'm gonna be playing this with like really small entities.
Whoa,
which is actually gonna be
small.
crazy. Yo, I think the wood is also smaller, like the blocks are too.
Yeah,
This is
that.
good enough
Oh
wood.
my god. Oh, it's just this. There's something on my screen. My
Tools,
bad.
and I really want to get a good base going.
Mm,
Oh my
You want to
God,
see how the
the
base
blocks
going?
are so tiny. Look at that little guy over there.
Ha,
Oh
ha.
my God.
I love
Our
that.
first stone
It's so
pickaxe.
small.
Let's go.
Let's go. You got a wooden pickaxe.
Look at that terrain generation.
Oh my god. That's not possible. He's hacking. This video is not going to be fun. He's hacking.
There. I thought like my chunks weren't loading in, and then I realized that is like
Hmm.
islands.
Alright,
Yo,
are we just gonna ignore the thing to his left? Maybe like let's just look at that. Yeah, what's that? I don't know. I'd rather look at the normal Minecraft thing than this odd thing.
Alright, what's this little structure here?
What?
Kind of creepy.
Well,
I'll take the furnace though. You know what? Not even gonna lie,
basics. What are the basics? Wow.
Why is
Well,
it raining?
LLT, no. LLT, go back in my house. Well,
This is not
sorry,
normal.
my
This
bad.
should not be running this early, right?
yeah, like what the heck?
This is not just me.
Nope,
can't
it's
really
me.
see
It's me
anymore.
too, LLT. I got you. I read you out and clear.
Who needs help?
Hold on.
Somebody needs help.
Someone needs help.
This is so weird. It's already thunderstorming.
Uh,
What the hell? I do
Bro,
not
that's
like this.
busted, bro. It's saying this
It's
hella
like the moon is
busted.
out. What?
Like
I blew up
what?
this world like 3 seconds ago.
Bro, this
is
round's
that?
busted, bro. What the heck? What is that?
Oh, that's like a corpse. Oh, that's
Oh.
weird. Some weird
Oh.
stuff is happening, that's for sure.
Oh,
I think one of these mods said it tonight.
oh
And
my
like lightning keeps
god.
so close to me. Okay. He's so
Ah, what is that? Whoa, no, nothing's shank
tiny.
page. Sheep.
So tiny.
Run,
I can't
run.
Even see him 'cause of the nighttime, bro. My days.
God, bro, this video is crazy boring.
Let's go see what-
bro. See how boring you have.
What's in this blacksmith here? Please be diamonds.
Oh my god, diamonds. Boys, we found diamonds. Diamonds. Oh my
Oh
god.
yes. Oh my god, look at this loot. Guys, we
Wow.
can make a diamond pickaxe. Isn't that
Wow.
something? Alright.
Hey, LLD, I just want to thank you for doing such a great job making this Minecraft server and carrying through. Like, you guys are going to be so inspirational one day. Shout out to LG Minecraft team, and let's go. If you follow their channel, you can actually find a Discord server. So it's all your their Discord server, because, yeah.
It's finally daytime. Okay, so it's now like daytime. A lot more chill, bro.
Was it Batman now?
It's just me, or is it already like, is the sun already setting?
What is it?
No way, bro. What is up with this cycle? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna go do some mining with my new diamond pickaxe, bro. Let's go.
Oh, that's the
Do I have
flex.
a water bucket?
Nobody cheated about it. Let's watch it. Right, check his inventory. See? Let's count iron. None. 0 iron. Except for arm readiness. But you
Do I
ready?
have a water bucket?
See? No iron whatsoever. How did he get netherite? How did that happen? Well, where do you get that? Where do you get that bucket from? Exactly.
Oh my god, it's literally nighttime again.
Oh my god! Scary sauce, scary sound. What is this audio? That's so bad. Oh, what is this? It's terrible. It's bad to watch.
I saw a little guy over here. I don't know where he went though. No, that is diamond.
Why you got bomb? All right, quick word from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is LLB Minecraft. They also make Roblox videos, by the way. Heavy players, double jump, 11 views. Got it. On my rookie. We battle someone. A dude's hat. Yo, I'm angry. White lure. By now. What? Rose in. Well, what are the reviews? There, honestly, I might just have to make my mind. What's up, Coding God fans? New video today. Yep, we're into coding and a mine. So here's how to do it. So we're gonna want to import mine, and that will I'll let it know that we want a mine, and mod equals awesomeness. It's awesome. So it's fine. What should we add them on? You could add some characters print. Oh, characters. Oh my god, let's top up at this. Yeah, that's it. We'd add some scary. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not going to fathom what I want to hit. What? On it. No, that's all right. Scary character. Got a food shot. What else can we add? We might need to. So it's a glitch in the system. Hey, Boots. It's just a glitch. It's fine. What else we have? We could add some Danger. We have the mode. So we've got a Boots. Ja, het zal mijn jou maar doen. Let's just run it. Nice. We should put into Minecraft, or we would into Roblox somehow. And these are all the mods we just created. Which one do you guys want them? Short horror games. Oh, that's the one we need. Tutorial. Let's see a point. Huh. I'm rocket launcher. I don't have that much. Stop. What is that? Let's go. Horror elevator. Amido. Whoa. Wow. 10. Not. Oh. Euro. Ramp. The horror elevator. That sounds really spooky. Jump scare everyone. Alright, let's go. Hey, what is? No. Let me jump the elevator. Oh. Come on, guys. We're not playing the salon. Come on. No. Yeah, this isn't. Oh! What the heck? Oh, no. Come on, everyone. Oh. Who is that? Oh, is it there? Oh, you had?
Pizza!
Oh, someone's got some pizza, it sounds like. Alright. I have a 1 streak. Let's go. Do I got anything? I got 5 coins. What he did 5 coins. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. What's is the killer? What is going on? I didn't hear for the mod to do that scary. Come on now. Someone died. Someone died. Well, someone's died. Someone's getting stabbed. I'm going this way. Yeah, follow me. Yeah, now later. Well, there he is. Everyone. Hey, I'm leaving club. Yes. That's right. Quick word from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is the Speed Coil. It's so unique. And it costs $5, which I don't want to buy. Oh, sorry for this sponsor. Okay. I'll rain bump in a minute. Oh no, that's not Abio. Who's the killer? Oh no. Oh no. He's right there. Everyone hide. Everyone. That's him. Kill him. Oh no. Are we killed? No! No! I died.